Life, it gets hard sometimes, so we try to rewind to the times when we hide and try to be there. We still go out playing shit, what up, what a weather. People throwing love, so we're always looking down, and people trying to tell us that our ever was time for a mind. We're doing damn good, the best that we could with our lives. Hey, it's something else, it's something better that you can't see. Uncomplicated, not like virtual reality. It's so simple when things go wrong. There's only one life, and it don't last all night. It's a no video game. When we get stuck, can't pause, gotta play. Situation overload, things you can't control. It's natural. And right now we are high school. No, but I guarantee it's only more. In high definition of breathing, it's not the same. 'Cause life's not a video game. It's not a video game. It's not a video. It's not a video. It's on another level, it seems it's real. But the life that we're living, it appears so extreme. So we slow down, trying to pick up the pace, and we stop when we hit first base. 'Cause we're too busy trying to get away from our problems. So busy trying to find a cure to solve them. We should be partying in the sunshine. Read about it in the stars and the moonlight. There's something else, there's something better that you can't see. Uncomplicated, not like virtual reality. It's so simple when things go wrong. There's only one life, and it don't last all night. It's an old video game. When we get stuck, can't pause, gotta play. Situation overload, things you can't control. It's natural. And right now we are high school. No, but I guarantee it's something more. In high definition of breathing, it's not the same. 'Cause life's not a video game. It's not a video game. It's not a video. It's not a video game. It might not look the same as on TV. It might not feel the same when we. Why don't you stop the game? Why don't you feel the